Hey everyone, thanks for popping into my channel. Today we are taking that leftover takeout chicken and turning it into 5 healthy, delicious dinner recipes. That's right, we're gonna make that chicken work overtime. No more sad leftovers, only flavor explosions. We're talking easy, budget-friendly, and crazy delicious. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling the classic chicken salad, but with a twist. We're making 5 different variations, so there's something for everyone. First, grab your leftover chicken and shred it up. You can use 2 forks, your hands, whatever works best for you. Now, for the base, we'll use Greek yogurt instead of mayo. It's healthier and adds a nice tang. Now let's get crazy with the mix-ins. For the first bowl, we're going classic with celery and onion. Dice them up nice and small. Bowl number 2, we're going tropical with chopped mango and pineapple. Feeling adventurous? Bowl 3 is our spicy sriracha almond situation. Chopped almonds and a drizzle of sriracha. Boom. Bowl 4 is for my avocado lovers. Diced avocado and some everything bagel seasoning. And finally, bowl 5 is our Greek goddess bowl. Chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, feta cheese, and a little lemon juice. Mix each bowl well, season with salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. 5 chicken salads ready to be piled high on bread, crackers, or lettuce wraps. Next up, we're firing up the wok for a flavor-packed chicken stir-fry that's ready in minutes. First, heat up some sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. While that's heating up, chop your leftover chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's talk veggies. I'm using broccoli florets, sliced carrots, and snap peas, but you can use whatever veggies you have on hand. Once the oil is hot, toss in the chicken and cook until it's heated through. Now, add in your veggies and stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender crisp. For the sauce, we're keeping it simple with soy sauce, honey, and a splash of rice vinegar. Whisk it together in a small bowl, then pour it over the chicken and veggies. Stir everything together and cook for another minute or 2 until the sauce is thickened. Serve this stir-fry over some fluffy rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying meal. Chapter 3. Taco Tuesday just got upgraded. It's time to spice things up with some incredible chicken tacos. These aren't your average tacos, though. We're taking them to the next level with flavor and freshness. First things first, grab your leftover chicken and shred it using 2 forks. Now, let's make a quick and easy pico de gallo. Dice up some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapeno if you like it spicy. Squeeze in some lime juice, season with salt and pepper, and give it a good mix. While the pico is marinating, warm up your tortillas. I like to heat them directly over the gas flame for a few seconds on each side. Now for the fun part, assembling the tacos. Layer on the shredded chicken, a generous scoop of pico de gallo, and your favorite toppings. I'm going with some creamy avocado slices, crumbled queso fresco cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. These tacos are bursting with flavor and are the perfect way to use up that leftover chicken. Chapter 4. Cozy up with chicken noodle soup. Let's get cozy with a big pot of comforting chicken noodle soup. This recipe is perfect for those chilly evenings when you need a little something to warm you up from the inside out. Start by heating some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Dice 1 onion and add it to the pot, cooking until it's softened and translucent. Now, add in your shredded chicken, some chopped carrots, celery, and your favorite herbs and spices. I'm using thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Pour in chicken broth enough to cover the ingredients and bring it up to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all those flavors to meld together. While the soup is simmering, cook your noodles separately according to package directions. I'm using egg noodles, but you can use any type you like. Once the noodles are cooked, add them to the soup and stir to combine. Ladle this soul-soothing soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley for a burst of color. Chapter 5. Pasta Perfection. And finally, let's transform that leftover chicken into a creamy and delicious pasta dish. Start by cooking your favorite pasta according to package directions. I'm using penne pasta, but you can use any shape you like. While the pasta is cooking, let's make the creamy sauce. In a large skillet, melt some butter over medium heat. Add chopped garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Whisk in flour, then gradually pour in milk while whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for a few minutes until thickened. Stir in your shredded chicken, some grated Parmesan cheese, and your favorite herbs and spices. I'm using Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Once the pasta is cooked, add it directly to the skillet with the sauce and toss to coat. Serve this creamy chicken pasta with extra Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley on top. Outro 5 down. Endless possibilities to go. There you have it, 5 incredible recipes that transform your leftover takeout chicken into culinary masterpieces. Don't let those leftovers go to waste. Get creative in the kitchen and give these recipes a try. You'll be amazed at how much flavor and fun you can pack into a meal with a little ingenuity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.